Hello, Alyssa LeBlanc here. Today we will be making Asian-inspired pulled venison for bao buns. We're working with a 4-pound venison neck roast, so let's get started. Alright, so I am very excited to eat these. I paired the pulled neck roast, venison neck roast, with homemade bao buns and cucumber and pickled carrots. So let's dig in. Amazing. Bao buns are one of my favorite things. It's like eating a cloud. And the venison goes really good. Everything's super balanced. You gotta try this recipe.